You have the water feature there, which you can open also. Right now it's closed, but look at your water feature here, guys. A lot of seating arrangements, and you can definitely have a party here. No doubt your guests will always come back because they don't want to leave this area here. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are featuring Toll Brothers, and as you can see, guys, there's a little bit of a street view there. I don't know if you can see it from the video, but here in person you can definitely see it. I am at the backyard of Toll Brothers single-story home here with really nice water feature here, as you can see. So I am so excited to tour this together with you guys. So please subscribe down below and let me know your feedback after watching this video. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Alright guys, this is the front of the facade. Nice walkway here. 3-car garage. As you can see, there's 2-car garage here, and then there's a separate one here. Single story. For those of you guys who like single story, raise your hands or comment down below. Ooh, love this flooring entrance here. Oh, nice stonework here, guys. Look at this, right? Really nice. Knock, knock. All right, let's do this. Wow, look at the open area. And I like the flooring also. Look at this flooring, guys. Nice. All right, let's take a look on the left side first. See what's happening here. You have your first bedroom. Huge windows, nice wall paneling there. Wow. Love this room. Even though it's small, it feels so homey here. All right, let's check out the other area. Let's check out, I believe this is the access to the garage, which is currently closed. And this is your, look guys, full bathroom. Look at that, nice. Look at the tiling, guys. This is really nice. And you have double sink. This one can be accessed by your guests also. You know, guys, when you have a single story, the ceiling is so high. This is probably 11 feet. Look at this baseball bedroom. Right? They designed it as if you're the person who's gonna sleep here is a fan of sports. And that is your closet. All right. Let's check out what's happening on this right side. Half bathroom for your guests again. Look, guys. And then on this side is a separate dining area or a meeting room with that wine cellar. Wow. You are gonna pamper your guests with a lot of wines here, guys. Right? This is kind of like a meeting room because that's the office there, which let us check what's happening in the office. Wow, this is a nice office, guys. Look at the design of this cabinetry. Really nice. By the way, guys, the builder told me that you can get 3% off the base price. So yes, builders nowadays have their own incentive now because they understood the interest rate is super high, so they wanted to help people in their financing. Let's check out what's happening in this area. I believe this might be the opening to the garage, which they normally close. Wow, you have an extra cabinetry here for your files. And then you have a huge, this is a huge laundry area. Look at the space of the sink. It's almost like a mini kitchen. But again, we can ask the builder if you can put a bathtub for your dog so you can clean the dog there. All right, guys, are you ready to see your main living area? Here we go. Look at your main living area, guys. Nice wall design there with your TV, separate dining area, and your beautiful kitchen. Look at your kitchen. Right? Your kitchen has access to that meeting area here that we saw a while ago, that meeting area or dining area if you want to call it dining area. And then here is your huge pantry. I'm going to span from this side of the corner of the pantry area. And look at this beautiful kitchen, guys. Nice cabinetry. And this is your view while you're doing your dishes. You can watch TV, nice huge sink there. And I like that there is a separate dining area. And Toll Brothers, listen to me. Just kidding. Because I always like seeing an access from the dining area going to the backyard. So that's a good one. They already know what people are gonna look at. That's why they already put that door there. Right? I can't wait to see this backyard. I'm seeing a water there. A water feature. I'm gonna go on this side, guys, so you can appreciate how beautiful this open area is. Wow, look at this. High ceilings, recessed lighting, wall paneling, right? We'll check out the backyard after we check this bedroom here, which I believe is your owner's bedroom. Look at your owner's bedroom. It has an access to the backyard. That's what is very nice configuration. And guys, I am super excited to show you the backyard if we can access, because I'm seeing a little bit of the view of the strip from this backyard. Let me spin. That is the strip. That means this area here is elevated. Wow. I like these glass doors, guys. Who wouldn't want this type of glass doors? Right? Really nice. Okay, let's check out the... Ooh, look at this door, a unique barn door. This is your owner's bathroom. On the right side immediately is your toilet so that you can access it quickly. Wow, look at this, guys. There's something here. This is a linen closet, huge. So you can store 1 month's supply of bath towels. This is a long counter. Look, guys. And then you have the seating arrangement here for your makeup if you're a lady. Wow, this is a nice shower here is also beautiful Comment down below, guys, if you like this kind of design. Again, it's pretty personal, I guess. For my own personal take, I would probably choose a plain design. But again, it's just my own personal opinion. All right, look at this massive walk-in closet, which you can definitely put some cabinetry here and do a little bit of LED lighting to make it more interesting. This is a tall ceiling again, guys. Maybe this is 11 feet. I can't wait to go to the backyard because I saw a swimming pool, I saw a strip view, everything. All right, are you excited, guys? Let's see if we can go outside. Hopefully they would allow us to go outside because I really wanted to see the strip view there. Oh, they don't allow us. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like we cannot go outside. Oh, we can. Look at this. I was able to get from this side, guys. Look at your beautiful backyard. And you have this water feature all over the house. Hi.
Howdy.
How are you doing?
Huh?
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. Look at your water feature, guys. Who wouldn't want to enjoy and lounge here every day, especially we're over 100 degrees here in Las Vegas. You have the water feature there, which you can open also. Right now it's closed, but look at your water feature here, guys. A lot of seating arrangements, and you can definitely have a party here. No doubt your guests will always come back because they don't want to leave this area here. And this is what I wanted to show to you guys. This seating arrangement here during the night is so good. Wow, this design is really nice. This is what I wanted to show to you guys. This view here, you can see the strip from your backyard. Wow, during July 4th, this is lighted up, and during the night, just stand here and you can definitely enjoy the beauty of the night. You have the mountain view there. You have the strip view, and then another mountain view there. Those are your neighbors. Again, guys, I don't know how tall is the roof gonna be on this side, but again, you can still purchase that lot maybe so that you have the view of the strip. All right, so this is your backyard, guys. Really nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please let me know what do you think of this home. Again, I'm at the backyard of this single-story home by Toll Brothers. Really nice feature there. You can lounge here all night, all day because of this hot weather here in Las Vegas. You badly need that swimming pool. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below any feedback related to this home. I'd really appreciate it. And see you guys tomorrow. Yes, another video tomorrow will be posted. Have a great day.